Hi guys, I've got the holes on the other side of the other bed drilled out to allow ventilation in and out of the actual storage space underneath. I'll be drilling a few more on the back side down below behind the seat as well, which will allow air to travel through. And in the outside here, as you can see, I'm turning his phone upside down, there's loads of air here, and there's a hole as well for the slot for the handle. So there'll be plenty of air circulating through here. Also, I've sorted all the electrics, pardon my phone, sorted all the electrics out yesterday, marked off the lives and marked off the neutrals. What I'm actually doing with one of the lights here, I showed you the wire hanging down the corner there, that one there. This is going to be an ambient light across the top. So I've got this strip light. It's an LED cob strip light. It's a warm white one, because I find that the white ones are a bit too sharp, a bit too sort of bluey white. So guys, this is actually going to be wired in at the end there, and I'm actually going to sit it up here. When it's all painted in, then you're not going to be able to see the actual, it'll hide it into the wall, and what you'll get then is you'll get a nice throw up of light when the whole place is done. Along the top then here, I'm going to be running a bit of moulding just to tidy up that joint, make it all nice and clean, and make it all sort of so any dust or anything else can't come down there. So that's the plan anyway, guys. So today now, different ball game entirely. I've got all this bit sorted. I can't do any more here until I'm just getting another bit of quadrant and do it in a few bits and pieces. So today I'm turning my attention to this. If the day holds out and the weather stays good, I'm going to have a go at fitting the window in here today. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.